A landslide triggered by a flash flood struck Barangay Dansolihon in Cagayan de Oro City last Sunday, October 26, forcing passengers from a closed van truck to evacuate. The incident, which occurred in the Purok 2 and Mangalay Bridge area, also trapped several commuters as mud and floodwater rushed onto the road. The landslide was caused by persistent heavy rains in the region. The City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office is now continuously monitoring the situation. Fight fake news with facts. Before you share, help us stop the spread of misinformation. This report is based on initial official monitoring. We will update as the CDRRMO releases more details. Share this verified report to inform your friends and family safely. See something false? Comment below or report it to us directly. We will fact check and issue a correction. Turn on post notifications to get official updates on this developing situation straight from our channel. Follow for news you can trust. #No to fake news. Verify before you share.